Welcome guys. Apply heat on the back cover of the phone with heat gun. On the top is Wi-Fi flex, in the center is LCD and sub flex, in the bottom is antenna flex. Make space with blade between back cover and body. Remove back cover with X-ray, but careful, do not damage any flex which is under the back cover. Eject SIM tray. Remove all the screw. Remove inner body. Disconnect fingerprint scanner flex connector. Disconnect LCD display flex and sub flex connector. Disconnect antenna wire. Remove the screw. Pull out the charging sub board. This is charging port. This is hands-free port. This is mic. This is fingerprint scanner flex and LCD display flex connector point. Install charging sub board. Connect fingerprint flex connector to the sub board. Connect LCD display flex and sub flex connector to the sub board. Connect antenna wire. Put back screw. Install inner body. Insert SIM tray in the phone. Put back all the screw. Apply gum on the place of back cover. Install back cover of the phone. In the end must use rubber bands for good fitting. Remove rubber bands after 2 hours. All you have done successfully. Thank you for watching.